Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yo, I've been gone for a while, but that's okay, it's all right. I'm back now and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. You want me more than ever.
No, let's say by you.
Okay, so I'm back with a mukbang. And I don't really know how to say it, but people be saying it in different ways and be like, is that how you really say it? Blah, 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 blah. But I watch these. I don't know why they're so interested in people eating. I don't know. That's something that we doing. So she wants to sit beside me, but she's actually taking the whole chair up. But anyways, there's a little shadow. It's because it's nighttime. It gets darker quick. And what time is it? It's like about to be 8 o'clock. So I have no natural lighting right now. I'm just using the light in my house. So the lighting might be a little messed up, but let's get to it because I haven't ate all day.
Now Mama just got our food and now it's spicy.
It's what?
The spicy.
Yeah. So I went to Kayak Cafe.
Kayak Cafe.
Downtown Savannah, Georgia. Okay? And I ate here one time before with my mom. I actually ate there, but first of all, I was gonna show you their packaging. So they give you a reusable, recyclable, and biodegradable bag.
Yeah.
Food in.
No.
Oh, I need my phone. Oh, here it is. I got my phone to let y'all know everything that I got. But look at this little container. It's nice, huh? Let me get everything out and I'll tell y'all what it is. And I've never done one of these before, of course, so I don't know how I'm gonna record myself and the food. Like, I don't know how people do that, but we'll see. Oh, they have it under Johnny. I'm about to have it under. What? Liv, I have no chair right now. Like, really? I need to move back? There's no chair for me.
I don't know a chair.
Okay.
Yeah,
Are you done eating? That's the question. Got me spending money. Alright, let's pull up what I got. And y'all can't see anything. I don't know if it's gonna work or if I'm even gonna post this. But I'm gonna tell you what I got. I'm gonna show it to you. So I got the Harvest Lentil Burger, which is this here. I might have to heat this stuff up. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how people get stuff, bring it back. Oh, let me rewind it. Cause I stayed about 30 minutes, 35, and it was raining today. So people were driving super slow away from downtown Savannah. So it takes me a little while to get there and come back. So my food a little cold. I'm gonna have to heat it up. See what I got here. So this is the Harvest Lentil Burger. Alright, so that's what it's looking like there. It has onions on it, pickles. And it comes with a whole bunch of greens. Let's see. It's vegetarian vegan, house-made vegan burger patty served on toasted organic multi-grain wheat with vegan mayo, vegan mozzarella cheese, lettuce, tomato, red onion, and dill pickle chips. Served with organic greens and pickle. So I did just say no tomato for mine because I don't feel with tomato like that. My mouth is watering. I really want to eat, but I'm gonna keep moving on and we're gonna come back to that because I'm gonna have to pop that in the microwave. I don't want to be eating no cold food. So that is that. Let me see if I can fix this camera just a tad so you can at least see. I also been wanting to try tofu. Oh, you still can't see me, yo. I don't know. I'm just gonna pull the food up. I've been wanting to try tofu, okay? And they said they have like the best tofu. People just go there just to buy their tofu and then go home and cook it. So I got, I got the quesadilla. I got the Tiger Tofu and Vegetable Quesadilla. So, okay, you get, I mean, it's a whole quesadilla, of course. Alright, so here's my quesadilla. And I was just looking at the tofu. I'm like, that kind of like chicken. Is this mushroom? Because I told him no mushrooms. Maybe that's pepper. So you can see the inside. Maybe. And let's read what's in this. Seared organic tofu, roasted eggplant, squash, mushrooms with no mushrooms for mine, peppers with wilted spinach and melted mozzarella. And I changed out melted mozzarella for vegan cheese. And you do have to pay $1 extra if you want to get vegan cheese. Served with organic greens, salad, and cilantro lime, sour cream. I did say no sour cream. And you know, I just don't understand why, you know, you're trying to eat vegan and they wanted you to charge you an extra $1. I guess it takes more money to get the product. I don't know. I'm just upset with these prices. It is $12.25 for this quesadilla. Of course, you get 4. And if you add on the vegan cheese again, it costs $1 extra. And for my sandwich, it was $10.25. I don't think anything cost extra, did it? No, because it was already vegan. Oops. I thought I was done. No. I also decided to get a side. So I got the rice and bean combo. It's basically just rice and beans with melted jack cheese and pico de gallo. But I subbed the jack cheese, of course, for vegan cheese, and of course that will add you $1. So just to get your vegan cheese, I should have just said no cheese and came home and put my cheese already that I got in my refrigerator on it. So, ooh, it's looking real cheesy there. I don't even see no rice or beans. I don't even see it though. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm like really hungry. Oh, so my pico de gallo. So it's looking like some. I'm back. I don't know why my camera just decided to cut off. But I'm not gonna keep these open. I know people be on mukbangs with their food wide open, but it's already cold. I'm not trying to get it off. Whatever. But I'm gonna try this rice and beans. Again, I was saying it look like refried beans or pinto beans. If I can get some rice. I told you I didn't eat all day. I have not eaten all day. I'm trying not to be all like dramatic. Like people be on mukbangs. And it's good though. And I don't know if I just came to accept vegan cheese, but something about the vegan cheese, I don't know what type they use, but I really like the taste of it. So like I said, I've been to this place once before with my mom and daughter, and we actually sat in there and ate. This is really good. And I just knew I was gonna have to add like salt and pepper, but it's seasoned good. And this is a small side or appetizer or whatever. Oh, I didn't tell you the price. I think it was $2.25. But I ate it before, and my mom, what did she get? I think she got the rice and beans, but combo or whatever, you know, large serving. And I tried some of hers and it was good. I just can't remember how good it was because it's been like a couple months since we ate there. And I got the I'm gonna go through the menu. They actually have an app. So I ordered through their app. Cause you know, us millennials, we don't like talking to people. We just like doing stuff on the phone. Oh, I got the panini. The artichoke crabless cake panini. And that's $10.25. It is vegan and vegetarian. Fried artichoke patties seasoned with crab cake spices over a vegan dill aioli. Aioli? I think that's how you say it. Every time I say that, I think of something else. But, lettuce, sliced tomato, and dill pickles. Organic greens. And pickle. That was really good. And our waiter was great as well. We told him we were newly vegan. He was helping us with options, telling us what we can substitute to make it vegan, things like that. It's not just a strictly vegan place. It's basically an healthy place, you know, green friendly. But they do have like chicken and things like that there. You should check out the menu. But he helped us out. He was nice. And we also had like their nachos or tachos that time, which was just like tater tots with beans, vegan cheese, something else. I can read it. Let's see. Do they even have it on here? Sweet potato fries, tater tots. Huh. I don't think they have it on here. Okay. That might have been special. But I went there today and I know it's 2 women working there, or yeah. And I was like, have a seat wherever. I was like, I'm here to pick up an order. And so they asked the name and things. And I don't know what it is. If like my jobs have made my customer service so good. And like me expecting good customer service everywhere I go. But if you hand me my food, say something. I don't know, that just irks me. Like, huh? I'm like, hello? She said, I need utensils? Yes, and I marked that in my online order, on my app order, through the app. I said utensils. So, and right now I just have all the rice left. So, I'm just eating the rice now. So she got me lots of utensils, which is nice. And then she just handed me the bag. They don't say nothing. Like, why don't they say anything? Here you go. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. It's annoying. It's annoying to me. I just want someone to say, you can even say, here you are. Here's your order. Here, is there anything else I can help you with? Is there anything else you need? Would you like to buy a drink while you're here? Oh, I totally forgot I had dessert. I had, they have vegan oatmeal cookies there. I'm going back to see how much they are. Oh, they took it off there. Oh, hold on. Anyways, they have, yeah, vegan oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. This is done, okay? And I had ordered one of those for $3.25. $3.25. Sorry, y'all, I'm shaking the thing. For oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. This thing better be like $3.25 for a cookie. Ah. Jeez, cause oh no, all they cookies expensive. I was about to say cause they're vegan, but no, all they all $3.25. Even they brownies, so maybe they are big. So I'm debating. I think I'm gonna go ahead and eat this tofu, some of the tofu quesadilla, just because I don't know how the tofu's gonna taste once it's like really, cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and reheat it, and I'll be back. Okay.
Now, we eating now.
Excuse me, babe. I got one cheek on this chair. That's what happens when you have kids, they take over. Okay, back. Food is warmed up. Sorry, my hand was covering that little face, So she's eating the orange plate. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this tiger tofu quesadilla.
Now, my orange is so really delicious, but I don't like the green one, but I like the orange one. Go ahead.
I'm trying to see what I think about this. I got a little piece of tofu. I'm scared of it, y'all. I'm scared.
It's like crab in there. It's like crab in there. Okay, let me cut it. Right? This you how to cut it. This is, hold on, Mama. This I'm looking for. This is a stick. Like you just cut it off and you pop it in. Like this. Like that. What's up, Mama? What's up?
You want to try it?
It's good?
It's okay.
Okay. It's like crab in there.
It's not crab.
Mm.
It's tofu. I feel slimy.
Yeah, it's really slimy.
I don't know, that's because I let it sit for a while.
It's not good, but we need to get some water.
Or I don't know, like the tofu. Okay, I think I can do the tofu.
There's lots of food.
Ah, the
What?
infamous try to block out everything so it can focus. I was trying to show you that tofu sit right there.
It's okay. Now, look at I do my food. It's really burnt and it's not really burnt. It's like striped something. And now, I sit by Mama and up here, Melly, and watch my TV show. But, we bye till later. Bye.
I still don't know if I'm ready for tofu.
1, 2.
I don't know. I want to eat my burger though. Yeah.
Now, look at this.
I mean, it's definitely made out of lentils because you can see that. Go on that.
What?
On that.
Yeah, Mom, look. Disgusting.
Well,
I didn't It's good. It's good. Right there.
mm-hmm. You want some?
Sure.
This is okay. You like it?
No.
I'm gonna add some ketchup. I feel like I need ketchup.
So really disgusting.
Okay. We'll go spit it out. Thank you. I'll get my chair back. I'm gonna just close it. You can come back. Go spit that out. I'm gonna just close up this tofu quesadilla because I don't think I'm ready for that. I'm just gonna eat my burger. I think I'm ready. I wish this came with fries.
Now I'm ready. No, stick.
That's the pickle come with.
Let me try it. It's a pickle.
She don't like pickles.
I do like pickles.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, give me my pickle back. Yeah, you're making me make a mess.
Ah! Really?
Does this have a pickle in it? I got me a little pickle. No, this don't have a pickle. I don't think I can do tofu. It's making me want to throw up. Thinking about it. It's just like,
Mom, hey.
it wasn't really nasty. I just.
Mama eat my pickle right there. Now, Mama's so nervous. Now, I'm eating out like pickles. Look at this. Look at this, Mama, dude. I got a tiny one. This is so really gross. I'm not tiny, I'm big.
You better not eat. You better not eat the rest of my pickle. You better not. I know something.
Let me
No.
eat.
You finished your food?
Yes, ma'am. Mom, I want to eat the pickle, but I'm sorry. Oh, this is thick.
Yo. Sorry.
My cake.
See what this look like. So that's just lentils mashed together. Which I like lentils.
My cake, my
You just
bowl.
mash them together and cook them.
You got my cake now. Now, first, this is my mama daughter. Man, but this is not my mama daughter. He got a long hair. It's so really itchy.
It's a little dry.
Now,
I don't know if I was just expecting something magnificent because I haven't went to like a straight vegan place. It's not straight vegan, but you know, a place that serves vegan food in a while. I don't know. I just been wanting to go to this place for a minute now, and I drove 30 minutes to get this. And I'm like 30 minutes ain't much, but it was a little bit more for 30 minutes, and I don't like driving. Okay. It's dry. No flavor. So I guess the onions and stuff supposed to make the flavor. I don't know. I never had a lentil burger, so I don't know. Do they come with flavor? Because lentils really don't have no flavor. I wish I had more pickle. I'm about to put some hot sauce on now. Yes, ma'am. You finished? Okay. You want to sit over here? Thank you.
What is it?
I'm gonna sit it right here.
No.
That was my beans and rice. It's all gone now. I like that container though.
You just ate it out?
No flavor. I'm sorry, y'all. I had high expectations. I mean, it's not bad though. And first time I ate here, it was delicious. My vegan crabless crab cake.
Oh my god.
I'm making a mess. But this isn't bad. It's just no flavor.
Mama's so crazy.
What was I talking about? Sorry, I'm trying to see what this is in my plate. It's like an anchovy or something. Not anchovy. An olive. I was talking about customer service and them speaking to you when they hand you their food. Then I went through a drive-through for my daughter because, you know, she's not about to eat this. And the kids' meals was like $6.25 and I wasn't gonna pay that. And they just have no pep in their step, you know. Everyone's different, okay. When you work at a job and you gotta talk to people, you should be approachable, friendly, use your mouth. So I'm telling you, I'll be looking at them now. I'm seeing if they're gonna say something. Hello. Yeah, I'll get some water. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna throw that quesadilla away. I'm not gonna be able to eat that later. Look, I'm gonna heat the other piece of my burger up, and I'm gonna come back. I didn't heat it up because I didn't know if I was actually gonna eat it, but I'm not full. Oh, there's the mayo, the vegan mayo. I didn't see it on my last burger. I'm gonna have to get this and eat it in there. All right, let me go heat this up. I'm back. So I ended up adding, it's getting late. Anyway, so I ended up adding more mayonnaise, mustard, and of course the ketchup. I would add more pickles if I had some, but I'm freshly out. So yeah. But I'll talk a little bit about the place. So, there we go, there. See that? Have some more flavor. So like I said, Kayak, oh, that tastes better. I needed to add some stuff. Kayak Cafe, located downtown Savannah. And, what was I say? Oh, it's downtown Savannah, which means you need to know how to parallel park. And I always think that when I go down, like, you're gonna be parallel parking. And I used to go downtown all the time. But that was like when I first moved back here. I don't go all the time now, but I still know how to parallel park. So I didn't know. I don't think I was ever taught until I came here, and then I was like, oh, this is how you do it. You whip it this way, you reverse it. All right, we in there. But but the actual restaurant has a nice atmosphere. Like I said, the girls were friendly. They just didn't say anything when she handed me my food. I just don't understand that. That's just me. That's just me. Okay, maybe that's something new. Just hand them the food. Don't say anything, please. Because people don't like to talk. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Okay, what's up with that? Let me know. Like if that's something new, then thank you. Just let me know. If they're not supposed to say nothing to us and just hand us our food, let me know. I was gonna say more. Ooh, a gnat. If you don't know about a gnat, you don't live in Georgia. Y'all know about gnats? Do you know about gnats? I got a gnat in the house. It's so soft. I don't want to complain about everything, but when you get to eating, when you get to spending your money, and you get to eating something else, and like what I had at the house, I could just ate that. That's not what I'm saying at all. But I could have, which we could always cook for ourselves anyway. But anyways, it's nice to have some place where I don't have to cook. It's good, it's delicious. I like the burger. The quesadilla is probably pretty good. You know, I like the vegetables and how they taste on there. It's just the tofu. I thought I was ready for it. But I don't think I'm ready for tofu. Even though it was seasoned pretty good. That was seasoned good. The beans and rice, of course, I tore it down. I should have just got a large and ate that because I'm already full. I get full easily, pretty fast nowadays. This was good. I would go back there and get this again, definitely. And I would go back and get the crabless cake, vegan cake that I had the first time I went. But again, it's located downtown on Broughton Street, so really in the mix with all the other restaurants and entertainment. It's a nice little place. I don't know if I'm gonna eat any more of this. Where have I been? I've been being a mom. I've been being a employee. If you know me right now, you know that I have been working nonstop. And that has been my life. And as an adult, I'm told that's your life for the rest of your life. So yeah, I've been an employee. I actually been thinking about getting my jewelry back off the ground. Like, I keep saying I don't have time for it. I gotta make time. You know, you make time for things you want to do, and I really could put in some time for that. I just have to line everything up, schedule everything, and write it down, like when I'm gonna do it. And that's one of, I was watching, not watching, but listening to Gold Digger podcast, and that was one of the things I took away from it. Was she said, everyone says, yeah, I want to do this by this date, or by the end of the year I want to do this, but they don't actually write down the day and time they're going to do it. So I can say, yeah, I'm going to study for my exam or whatever next week, but I need to write down the days and the time. I need to do that. I'm going to do that. Maybe I should do it tonight. Oh. I think I'm done with this. I am still vegan. If you don't know, I'm still vegan. I feel good. My body feels amazing. I love my body. What's that? Oh, bread. I love my body. I'm bloated right now, but I have not jumped on the scale because my scale needs batteries, and it needs like these special batteries, and I don't have time for that right now. I don't have time to find special batteries for a scale. I'm like, I'm just not gonna get on that. Well, I can't because batteries are dead, but I feel good, so I'll give you an update later on pounds I've lost and what I eat, what I'm eating now. Favorite vegan foods right now. We can do that, definitely. I want to do that. I was supposed to have a special guest for this mukbang. I just like saying that, mukbang, mukbang, mukbang. I want to say mukbang. Sorry if that's annoying. Not sorry. Anyway, supposed to have a special guest eating with me tonight, but I don't. That's okay. I would have more onions on this too. I would have more onions. That's okay. Maybe next time. Next time. Oh. Next time, I'm trying to think where I would eat. Because we don't have like that much. Where the town I live in, we have no like strictly vegan places. You just have to make it vegan. We have Burger King, and you can get you a what is it even called? Beyond Whopper Jr.? No. Impossible Whopper. There we go. I'm over those. And I'm over how expensive Burger King is. Jeez. Again, I can make that burger at home. I'm using my own mayonnaise anyway. I don't got vegan mayonnaise. Not as well. I'm sorry, I keep losing my train of thought. What was I saying? Oh, where the next mukbang will be, or what food I'll eat. I don't know. And I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. Well, I know I'm gonna do it because I wanted to do it one time with our special guest. But okay, I'm gonna leave this rest of this alone. I'm done. I'm done. But yeah, I don't have much left of it.
But what are you doing with that shirt?
Huh?
In your pants?
Nothing, I'm just eating. But thank you all for watching, and
can you help my TV?
Yeah, I'll be in there in a minute.
Oh, sorry. And thank you for bye-bye. Don't forget to thumbs up and use so we do that again. Bye-bye.
You want to tell them to subscribe?
Don't remember to subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel. Because it's ours, because you always want it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me blabber off at the mouth. I have so much to say, you know, so I'm gonna do more videos. They ain't gonna throw it. Livy gets scared. Anyways, my dogs are going crazy, y'all. But bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and eat some vegan food.